Come on, let's go.
Okay. Let's get ready.
Oh. Better because it's okay.
It's an airplane.
Say hi, Theo. That's a baby. Let's go back in the water.
Yum.
So if you guys have been following me, you guys know that I stepped away from being behind the chair at the salon, and I am now full-time social media manager and retail coordinator at one of the restaurants here in Hawaii. But I still do clients on the side, like styling still. So I'm on my way to do a styling client at the studio, and then there's an event tonight that I have to get social media content for. So I'm getting coffee right now.
Hey, Queen. Yeah, the triple espresso, yeah?
Yes.
You're okay for sure, yeah?
Yes, please. Thank you.
But you're all Gucci, so you stay young and beautiful.
Thank you. You too.
Party hard, go party hard without me.
Noted. Bye. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got that on camera. He is literally the nicest Starbucks worker I ever met. Like, I love coming to this Starbucks just for him. Every time I come through this drive-thru, I'm hoping he's working. He literally hypes me up every time. He is so sweet. He calls me queen every time. He always tells me to stay young and beautiful. Ah! Triple iced espresso with 2 pumps of pumpkin and splash of soy and light ice. Because it's pumpkin spice season, you guys. It doesn't take much to make me happy. It's like, it's the smallest things. I don't need no designer bangs or anything like that. I just need my pumpkin spice latte. I need peppermint mocha during Christmas time and a coffee every day. I am not that hard to please. And nice people. You give me all of those and I'm a happy, happy girl. Need to read it. Got some Wendy's. I need to fuel up before tonight. I think it's gonna be hot.
I think you're hot.
I wanted to wear something cute, but up so early because I had to do social media posts for work, and it's like NFL season, so I have to post the games, and the games are really early Hawaii time, so I'm a little tired. I need coffee. And yes, I'm wearing the same pajamas as yesterday. Don't judge me. I only wore it to sleep. It's clean, I promise. Where are we going?
Starbucks.
What are you getting?
Matcha.
Cheers.
Yeah, what is 15 minus 8?
I don't know. That's your homework. You tell me.
6, 7.
What does it mean? Dayton, what does 6, 7 mean?
It's just from the song.
But what does it mean?
It doesn't mean anything. It's just numbers.
Yeah.
It has to mean something.
No, 6, 7.
Here. What do you say?
Thank you.
In the car.
I'm almost there, Mom, okay?
Okay.
This is hard work.
It's hard work
Yeah.
putting makeup on.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mimi? Lashes on a hat? Oh,
Hey, Mama.
tired of these strip lashes. I need my eyelash extensions.
My blueberry favorite yogurt.
I know it's a Monday and I like to start my week off, you know, setting a good tone, but I just didn't feel like putting makeup on and just putting in a lot of effort, so hat and lashes it is. You want berry or vanilla? Vanilla? You sure?
Okay, how to show my thing?
Oh. Naomi, come on.
Yeah.
Jesus. Gotta go. Gotta drop you off at Titi's house. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Bye! Okay. On my way to work. Shoes. Princess shoes. Are you ready to go to the store?
Yes. Thank you for asking.
Oh. Always have to pack your bags before we go. Oh my.
I'm so excited to make this. What are you gonna make?
We're gonna cook the rice first.
Okay. Oh, can I help you, Mom? Here it is. Here you go, Mom.
Put panko.
Uncle?
Okay, maybe I'll do that. Thanks. Flour.
What do we do first, Mom?
Okay, so we got our pork.
What?
Here. Oh, the panko on top.
Mom.
Okay.
Dad, go cook with us. I don't want to cook with us.
It's okay. There's just no more room. The miso soup. Look at them. Oh. So today we have my anatomy scan ultrasound, which is like that 20-week ultrasound this week. So we get to see baby. Just gonna do a quick workout. Everything is just getting so tight. I'm gonna show you the struggles of working out at home. This is my incline bench. So I can do an incline bench press. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you work out at home. I'm a mom, I don't have time to go to the gym. Watch out. Ab time. See, after 4 pregnancies, I realized how important it is to work the core. So this pregnancy, I'm really working to make sure that I'm strengthening the core to prevent the ab separation that I've had for the past 3 pregnancies. Yep, we have to leave in 20 minutes. You look beautiful. Ready to see baby? Have to hurry up and eat breakfast. Baby, she's done a good job. Oh my god, that was ridiculous. There was like no parking. We circled the parking lot like 3 times. We finally got a parking stall. Now I'm late to my ultrasound appointment. So we have to go. I know. So we just finished our ultrasound. Aww. Naomi's like, why is she yellow? She said this color, she looks like kimchi. I can relax now. Okay, back from the doctor's. Now it's time for work. I got my pumpkin candle. This is my favorite pumpkin candle from Anthropology. It smells so good. And it's pumpkin season, so I always have to set up my space so I can focus and really get my shit done, you know? I'm done with work. It's 5 p.m. and I've officially reached the it anymore. But look what else I have to do. Laundry. Right, start cleaning. Oh, it's okay. You gonna listen now? We got these baskets so we can just literally dump everything in here. Because I try to be organized. For dinner, leftovers. Are you all clean?
Yeah! Good job!
I'm gonna take a bath. I'm not doing much today, it's just a work day. Oh, no! Give me a wipe in there. Give me a wipe in there. Why? Oh my god. Sometimes Pilates is harder than weightlifting. So I spent my coffee working out. I guess I have to go buy some on my way to work. Aww, shucks. Thank you. Okay, on my way to work. I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm making macaroni. Thursday, one more day till Friday. Hello. Yeah, it's my workout clothes. Okay, can you see our alien? We won that from Dave & Buster's. Naomi just had to have it. That's her bestie. See, when you work out from home, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? 9, 10. Oh! Yogurt with granola and chocolate chips.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. God are great. You never know, dear, how much I love you. He don't take my sunshine away.
Yay! It's a hat and no makeup day today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready to go?
Yeah. Yeah.
As you can tell from my vlogs, each day is different. One day I could just feel super motivated to get up, get ready, do my makeup, and just look good. Days like today, we just go with the flow. Okay, ready? Okay, it's time for work. Say bye. I finally folded the clothes that I washed like on Monday.
Your favorites and I can get two.
It's Friday. Okay. You like my pimple? Which one? I have so many. Which one? The one on my chin? The things we have to go through during pregnancy, I swear to God. Oh, she's not happy because I told her she can't have chips or snacks for breakfast. She doesn't want anything I offer. The only thing I can have her agree on is last night's leftover pasta. That'll do. Not a very low. Are you okay?